तेरी किट तक ता तेरी किट तक तेरी किट तक तेरी किट तक तेरी किट ता तेरी किट तक ता तेरी किट तक तेरी किट तक तेरी किट तक तेरी किट. Today on 28th of May 2025, over a period of about 10 days, 4 sessions have occurred with the students here in Pune. Lifetime initiation of guitar, piano and tabla is given. That means the students will not require any teacher or any sessions anymore to practice to continue the journey. For a quick revision, the lifetime initiation of tabla is, you need to understand this is the posture, and this big one is always on left hand and the small one is always on right hand. There are only 2 moves in left hand, this one move and this is another move. That's it. The only thing you need to make sure is that the wrist is pressing here, and then only you will get good sound. Now on this right hand you do not have much. The whole tabla is not much, the whole music is not much, but tabla itself is the least among all musical instruments. Why? Because moves are very less. Left hand, this and that. I'm not even giving it a name, because the moment you give it a name, it becomes very complex and sophisticated thing. Now on tabla, if you listen to this initiation or if you watch any tabla player very carefully, what you will find is he is not doing infinitely many things. He is just doing 3 to 4 things with right hand in infinitely many ways. So this is the first finger. So basically we have 3 regions: this outer region, this middle region and the center region. Unnecessarily people are calling it chati, maidan and syahi, unnecessarily complicating it. Chati, maidan, sahi. I do not know chati, maidan, sahi. I understand there are 3 locations, 1, 2 and 3, which can be played by first finger in 3 manners: this, and these 2 fingers. Similarly to these 2 fingers, these 2 fingers are going to do this. So essentially you have 4 here, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. And 1, that's it. Again and again. You can give it different names, but even names are not required. If you mindfully watch, regularly watch, if you immerse yourself into tabla players, tabla playing, tabla words, tabla sounds and tabla words, ta teri kit tak ta teri kit tak teri kit tak teri kit tak teri kit ta teri kit tak ta teri kit tak teri kit tak teri kit tak teri kit. Only these 2 and 4 moves are combined in infinitely many ways. So this is your tabla initiation. Apart from that, you need to cover your tabla, save tabla from heat, moisture and unnecessary cold and dust. Sit straight, always stretch. It is more of physical thing than mental thing, and then it is musical thing. And in my opinion, it is not musical at all. It is just sadupyog of the samay. Good use of time, utilizing the time. So again, this and this. Tere kit tak ta, tere kit tak, tere kit tak, tere kit tak, tere kit tak, tere kit tak ta, tere kit tak, tere kit tak, tere kit tak, tere kit. Again. See, this will always going to hit here again. So lifetime initiation has, like, it's over for a student. The student knows basic moves. Now there are tals, 3 tal, then there are infinitely many tals Prime tals are teen tal, keherwa, dadra, ek tal, jap tal, rupak. So different tals person can practice with metronome and with a song as well. The greatest thing that one needs to remember while practicing tabla is to recite with the mouth and play as slow as possible. It is very luring, tempting to play fast. But it reminds me of my tabla teacher about 30 years ago, 25 or 30 years ago. He always used to stress because he used to eat a lot of gutka. So his mouth was not properly, it would not properly open. So he would always do this to me. Means I was playing very superficially. So he always used to do this and this slow. It requires, it's not about patience, it's not about talent, it's not about perseverance or hard work. Either a great tabla player or even an average tabla player is born in tabla family, or they are suffering from something that they are trying to vent out through tabla. What did I say? Either the tabla player is born in those sounds, like Zakir Hussain, he was born in home of Allah Rakha. So the first day he was born, dhatri kit tak tatri kit tak dhatri kit tak tuna kit tak dhridri kit tak dhatri kit tak dhridri kit tak dhridri kit tak dhridri. So all these sounds are constantly programming. Every second, every occasion, every neuron of parietal brain and temporal brain is so properly utilized in such a divine and marvelous way, just cannot be described. So either one has to be born in that kind of family or be around that kind of people, or one has to have some kind of frustration or anger or some anxiety or anything that one is trying to vent out in form of creativity or in social destruction. So this is basically a kind of destruction. Now, in guitar also, the first thing is posture. Posture should be understood by the student. Next thing, the student should be able to hold it like this and play the first string with the thumb and identify 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 0. Now the sequence, happy birthday to you 002054. 002075. I'm playing exclusively on the first string. So for let's say first 10 to 20 songs, you have to play first string only. So